So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So today's video is gonna be about Lightroom tutorial. So let's get right into the video. So most of my friends are forever curious to know about how I edit my own images. So here are the apps that I use to edit my own images on my Android phone. So first of all, there is a Pixar. It is one of the best all-in-one photo and video editor app. It is also available for a free download on both iPhone and Android phone. And in this app you can find a top Pixar tools and filters, and you can make also collage from scratch and so on. And the second one is Snapseed. It is the best photo editor app developed by the Google, and it includes 29 tools and filters including healing, brush, structure, HDR and so on. It is also available for free download and it is very easy to use. And the third one is the Lightroom app. I particularly like Lightroom app because it is one of the best app for professional photographers, and it is the only photography app that can allow viewing, editing and organizing a large number of images. Editing in Lightroom mobile version offers a wide variety of presets and tools. It is a very powerful photo editor and the camera app that can enhance your photography. So without wasting much time, let's get started with some basic tutorial of Lightroom mobile version.